During sleep, the whole body relaxes, including the mouth, tongue, and airways, including the nose and throat, which make them vibrate when we breathe, causing snoring. It is estimated that about 40% of adult men and 24% of adult women are regular snorers. Snoring can be due to lifestyles such as smoking, consumption of alcohol and sedatives, or sleep positions, but it can also be associated with genetics such as inherited genes that shape the head and neck anatomy of an individual. Snoring can also be associated with conditions including chronic nasal congestion, obstructive sleep apnea, and hypothyroidism. Check the video above for more details and subscribe for more videos like this.